Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Today I'm gonna be doing a set on my friend and say hi, Jessica.
Hi.
Okay, so I'm just gonna do her nails. I'm just gonna prep her nails and I'm just gonna speak to that part and then we can get into the whole design that we're gonna do because I'm not 100% sure what we're going to be doing yet, but this is practice. So hope you like this video. Okay guys, I'm back. I got these two colors, this one and this orange one, because I think we could do like a peachy vibe, but I must swatch them and show you and figure out what exactly we're going to do. But I've filed and shaped the nails a bit, but not extreme, because I'm going to have to file down the nails when I'm done, when I'm doing filing, so they'll be shaped, you know. So so I'm going to swatch these and show you how they look and decide what we're going to do. It took a while, so I had to mix some of the hot pink with some white to kind of tone it down to like see if she would like that. Actually, she does like this color better, but we're gonna go with this color. But I'm going to do marble with the both of them, so she'll have both colors, but it's just that this, I feel like this color will best on her. Okay, guys. I've finished applying all of the acrylic. It's very bulky, and I'm working on that. I promise you. But I'm going to file them down. It's gonna look great after I file it. So I want it. Look at the thumb, guys. I'm gonna work on that. Okay. I've been. Don't show the other one. Oh my god. All right. So I'm gonna file this down and then buff the nails and then come back to you guys. Okay guys, I finished buffing. I'm just gonna spray with alcohol because we've been here for a while and Jessica has to go home. So we're just gonna clean off the nails and then we're going to top coat them. And yeah, but look how nice they look. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Okay guys, so she ended up washing her hands because there was a lot of dust, but I'm gonna just top coat them now. And yeah. Okay, so the set is finished and yeah, it's really pretty. The color, my turn your hand. The color fits her perfectly. It looks so good on her. And I just need to work on my time because this took forever. Stop nodding. I need to work on my time and fast next time. And I need to work on, as you guys saw, me when I was applying like my application for the acrylic. I need to work on that too. And yeah, but okay guys, the quality is gonna be different for this outro because I ran out of storage on my phone and I'm using Jessica's phone. So but yeah, we're done. You have pudding on your finger. I'm sorry, she's eating pudding while I'm doing okay. So yeah, we're done and she loves it, right Jessica?
Yeah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and yeah, put a thumbs up. Okay.